Hello, my beautiful people. This would normally be a wash and go, but what it is I just took a shower, washed my hair with conditioner. Well, actually, I colored my hair and I used Hairston's natural shampoo to wash the color out. Then I used conditioner and I got leave-in VO5 conditioner, and this is what it looks like. And of course, it done shrunk up by now. See, and this is the length of it when it's so straight up wash and go right out the shower. But you know when it's wet, it just hangs down the back. And it feels so pretty laying up against my back. But I'm gonna let it dry, so I'm gonna twist it and leave it twisted for until dry, I guess. Mm, I don't really need um any cream or anything on my hair, I don't think. But I'm just we'll see. I was gonna just put four big twists on it. It'll still work. But I can do more. It just don't work when it's wet. It don't work too good when it's wet. It works better when it's dry. So I just put it on like this. And I did detangle my hair in the shower. I used a comb and a detangler. The comb I use is one of those big teeth comb for the afro. And now I'm gonna split it into a two-strand twist. What I did was I used the three strand just flat, and then twist it from there. Mm. Get these black rubber bands to hold it in. Guys crawling, want to just curl up. Guess I'll leave it. It looks cute that way, curling up. But it's gonna get fatter. For those that like to watch people twist their hair, this is the way I'm doing mine. For some reason, my top half that got shorter. It used to be the longest. I think it was when I started going to get my hair braided with with false hair. You know how the long braids that everybody wear down to their butt and their waist and their butt. I had some of those in for over 8 to 9 months, maybe. But but I got them redone. But I'm just saying, time I took them out, I had them redone. I did that twice, and I had them in for about 3 to 4 months each, and it broke off at the front of my hair. I think I don't know. All my sides and back was strong enough to not break. I don't know. It's thinner. You know, the front of my hair is thinner for it's my straightest length for its waves. Maybe it can't handle the braids as much. I don't know. I've been wanting to go back and get it braided again because your girl was cute and sexy with them braids, honey. I had the Soleno braids or whatever. They were real tiny braids all on my hair. And then I had goddess braid, not goddess braids, but a little thicker like Janet Jackson braids. When she got them braids with um Tupac, that's kind of back in again with the little hair hanging out, little wave of hair, strands of it hanging out in different places, and the ends of it was be waving. That's where I had my hair. It was cute, but I still think it broke my hair off. I probably just need to not get the real small ones. Um, get the ones the goddess braids or something like that. I'm thinking about going back, give me some. But you'll say, Dad, why are you gonna get some when your hair like this? Won't you just go? I thought about going to them folks and letting them just twist my own hair. Yeah, well, no. Hand tied now. Mm, 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 mm. I'm gonna let this just stay like that, and then if I need to slick it down, I would do that once it dry. And this is there, but this is how you do it. Twist out. And the reason I braid it right here is to maintain my length, the length that I do have when it's wet. So I braid it first to keep it from drawing up all the way up to here, and then I twist it to get that twist out look. And then this will be the length of it once it dries. It won't swallow up no more than this. It'll still be, but it won't go in it won't shrink in any more. I don't think that's what I'm trying to say. But it's got to completely dry. And this is Val, but this is how to do it. I'll talk to you guys on another video. We'll see. Bye bye now.